Yo, what up? EasyFX here. August 29, Tuesday. Intraday outlook. So, same as yesterday, we are still bearish trend and we are in the middle of itong malaking supply zone na to. Created from news. Our expectation is since bearish trend, right, 715. Ang expectation natin is mag-hold tong supply. Then mag-create ng new low, right? Pero as of the moment, we are still in a bullish order flow, right? So yeah, hindi pa nagpapakita ng sign of this supplies holding. Actually, meron tayo dito initially yesterday which caused this bullish order flow. Tapos nag-fail ang demand chain kaso nga lang wala pang nag-hold na supply. Okay. Like ito yung opportunity for this supply to hold. Nangyari din nag-hold to. Nag-trade higher pa yung price. So yeah. Personally, what am I looking for? Still sells. Yes, bullish order flow pero yun nga. Nasa counter trend scenario itong bullish order flow na to eh. Like, eto pa yung swing natin. So, we are most likely playing only a pullback. Pero, ang bonus mo lang din dito na medyo decisional din yung supply na to is sa H4 narrative, which is yung H4 low natin dito. Nag-take na ng new low. So, potentially, magpo-pullback na tayo at some point in time. Pero, yun nga, at some point in time pa naman yun eh. In terms of intraday bias, ito pa yung meron tayo. Ito yung range natin. Or swing highs, swing lows. Swing highs, swing lows. Right? Tapos swing high na ito. So, nasa gitna tayo ng range. Pagka-break nito, we anticipate a pullback. So, nung nag-switch ng order flow, activated na yung pullback, right? Pero ngayon, nasa malaking supply na tayo. And our expectation here is, yun nga, to create new low. So, should I buy, should I sell? Maybe this coming session, I more lean on to sells if mag-switch tayo ng order flow sa point na to. Like switch, hindi yung shift lang since ang laki nilang supply na to eh. Mas gusto ko yung switch talaga like a demand will fail, then supply will get mitigated, then demand will fail again. So, basically switching control. So, yeah. So, yes sir. GG's. EasyFX out.